Hi, I welcome you all to our show, the Crypto Singh Show. My name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about crypto, we talk about metaverse on our channel. Well, what's been happening? I've been missing out of the action. I was not in my office. I was traveling, but I'm back now. And what's happening with the Bitcoin market? Well, there's a lot that has already happened with the Bitcoin market, and as predicted, the prices went down. What's happening now? Well, let's try to understand what's happening, and these are the times we can educate ourselves. So since April end, you could see all my videos. I've been telling you it's a bear market and we will fall for certain prices, and I was in fact 25th April or something like that, we were at around 42,000 when I said that soon we'll see 31,000. So those videos are there. You can go check those videos out. But what's happening now? Let's talk about, am I buying right now? Am I not buying right now? What's my opinion on the market? Okay, so well, my opinion right now stays is so I am going to be taking some swing trades. I'm not going to go all in right now. And the bear markets are where you typically accumulate, make your portfolios. This is the time to actually make money into it. Now, the money would be made in bull market, but the bear market will make your perfect portfolio to make money in the bull market. Now, how do we do that? Well, the best part would be, in a bull market, you usually buy blue chips, be it in NFTs, be it in metaverse, be it in crypto, DeFi, anything. Blue chips are the things to be buying right now. Ethereum is at 1800 right now or 1750. It's been hanging between 1710 to 1800. But I mean, these are the times to accumulate Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum was at 3000, 4000, and people wanted to buy. Now when it's at 1700 or 1800, I don't see buyers coming in. Well, it should be the other way around. So now, how you should manage your portfolio? I would strongly recommend that you should definitely have um, some money kept aside for more. You will surely have more dips in the market, so you will have lot more opportunities coming your way, and you must hold. Not You should not go all in. Otherwise, when you go all in, when the market actually dips, you'll not have anything at that point of time to put into this market. So long term, I'm again bullish. Short term, I think I'm bearish. But I mean, very short term, I'm again bullish. I'll show you what I'm saying on the charts. So I mean, it's more for a swing trade I would be taking now, because I think 28,000, lot of buying has come in, but 29,000, we see a lot of selling orders now. Around 5,000 bitcoins are there to be sold at around 29,000. So as soon as it goes around 29 500 600, you see a sudden dump coming in. That's because there is a lot of selling orders on those prices. But for me right now, I think 28,000 still is a good price to take the trade, and I will show you on the charts how to take these trade, and what price levels I am expecting, or how do I see Bitcoin in long term, Ethereum in long term, and there's another coin I'll talk to you about which is holding up in the bear market. So I mean, if it's holding up in the bear market, you got to see that coin as well. So we'll talk all about it. But these are the times where you should put in your money to educate yourself. Blockchain is not going anywhere. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Metaverse is not going anywhere. NFTs are not going anywhere. We'll be getting more of NFT and metaverse projects in our coming videos, so that it is probably the time for you to invest and do your research and invest into these projects, because these projects have been three times the price that you're going to be seeing today. So, and I'll show you how. I mean, the beauty of a blockchain is you can actually see all the transactions that has happened. We'll see that all these transactions were three times higher than what it is today. So we will be getting into the metaverse projects, and next video I will tell you a metaverse project which I am extremely again bullish on, and it is a blue chip project. So in the bear market, I would mostly be promoting blue chip coins, because blue chip NFTs, blue chip metaverse, because what happens is that this is for me, this is not a real bear market. A bear market is a real bear market when you think that it's going to go to zero, when everyone will start losing money. Right now, everyone is still waiting for a rally. You know, everyone is thinking there's going to be a rally which is around the corner. It's going to make you, I mean, you got to have patience for it. I don't think that's happening. There's going to be a relief rally, of course. I'm not denying that there might be a relief rally, and I'll show you how that is. But the long-term analysis, I mean, midterm, you could say, long-term is higher. Midterm would be around 19,000, 20,000 Bitcoin. So which would mean that we could see Ethereum around, levels of 1,000, 1,100 kind of levels as well. But when it's going to happen, I think it's going to take some time for that. Right now, I think we're going to go on a relief rally again. So I'll show you everything on the chart. So before I do that, please do share, like, and subscribe. So we'll be talking about metaverse projects, and I'll tell you how to invest into them and where the prices are. But be ready to get some good opportunities and be ready to keep money aside, because I think we will have a good bear market. And I'm not a bearish, I'm not a bear. If the markets are bullish, I would tell you it's bullish. If they are bearish, I tell you it's bearish. So I've been bearish since April, but that doesn't mean that I'm a bear. I'm a long-term bull again. So, but the point is that the market needs to be traded with reality, what the charts are showing. It's not the emotion, it's not the intuition that, my intuition would be like, I think it might go up. That doesn't matter. What the charts are showing, we completely trade on them. So let's get on to the charts, what the charts are showing for Bitcoin and this another coin that I've been telling you. So the funny part is that Ethereum has been trading at a price, the volume is actually more than Bitcoin, which shows that there's a lack of retail interest in the market right now. So, I mean, there's a bearish price sentiment right now. But short term, I think there's going to be a relief rally where everyone is going to try selling their, Bitcoins or Ethereum or whatever alts that they have. So that's going to be there in short term. But getting on to so if you see, I'm just quickly gonna pull this out for you, the BTC chart. So these are the charts, and I mean, this is what the Bitcoin is saying on a daily time frame. Again, it seems slightly weaker. And so this is TRX. Now TRX, if you see, has been holding up. Now TRX has been holding up quite well in this bear market. Let me just, if you can see, actually it's somewhere making a bull flag kind of a thing. Not really an exact bull flag, but yes, it is pretty much making a bull flag on a 1 day thing. So it is pretty, it looks good in a bear market, TRX. Now what's with Bitcoin? Well, let me just get on to probably a new layout for Bitcoin, and let me show you where we are and what's happening. So what I think about Bitcoin is happening is, let's see on a 4 hour again. So I think we're going to have a small bit of relief rally, because I think what's happening over here is that we see this trend coming in, and I also see this kind of an upper trend kind of a thing. Let me just take this mark from here. So I think a breakout in any way would be big. So for me, the breakout would be somewhere around 29,500 kind of a thing, and I would again be retesting, and once that is done, then I would probably be seeing that. So for me, I think 29,400 kind of a, once it breaks out from here and then it comes back and retest around 29,400, 500 and stays there with volume, I think then it's gonna be, for me, I'm gonna take a swing trade. But again, swing trade means I'm gonna get off around say 30,000, 33,000, and 35,000. I'm going to be taking profits off my table. So I'm again not bullish. I'm not looking at 62,000 kind of price range. I'm looking at a pretty much a lesser kind of a price range, because what I also see is that it's making a bear flag. Now, now this bear flag is what I personally see is from here. This is the kind of a bear flag that we are making, and most of the times this will break down, but it might just go up for a bit. So we might have a kind of a relief rally, which I'm looking at. So I'm slightly on a short term, I'm slightly bullish, but again long term I'm again bearish, and I think that 19-20,000 would be seen in coming months for sure. So this is what the Bitcoin market is saying, and if I'm entering into it or not, I'm not entering into it. Well, I have a lot of these questions. I would be DCing in. So if you like, say, let's say if you like 29,000, so put in 25% at 29,000, then wait for 24,000, then wait for 23,000. So either put in like every 5% at every 1,000. So that is pretty much the way you should be doing your portfolio right now. And it's very important, because your intuitions are probably nonsense. It just does not make sense. You got to see them in the charts. If we have something in the charts, I'm not super bullish, I'm super bearish in fact. So it's like a bull market. Where there was a bull market, there used to be a pull down, and then again a bull market. So it's pretty much now we have a bear market. So we will have a bearish going down. You'll have red candles being formed, then a green candle, then again a red candle, then again green. So it's gonna go like that. But eventually, I think capitulation would be where everyone thinks that Bitcoin is going to zero. Everyone thinks that NFTs are of no use now, and everyone would think that anything that they invested is gone, and that's always that happens in the crypto market. So that is when I would think that we got to turn bullish and start buying in. But right now everyone is waiting for a relief rally, which I think again it's that wait time, and where again it's gonna go bearish. So we will have a relief rally, then we will have the whale selling in and getting the profits out, and then again we will be going down. So if the market goes up, I would recommend to sell some off and get some profits in, book some profits, get back into the market again when it is at probably the lower end. Now there is also one scenario that it might go up to 48,000 also. So 38,000 also. Now, I mean, there could be a scenario like that, but again, that would just mean kind of a fake out for me. I would take all my profits. If it touches 40,000, I'll be taking a lot of more profits out. So I'll be entering now in the market for a short term, but I'll be very careful. Only if it breaks around 29, 300, 400 sustains there for a bit, I'll be taking that swing trade. But I'll be keeping money aside for getting into more opportunities. So this is what is happening with the Bitcoin market, and we'll be coming in with a metaverse project, and I'll tell you how to buy land into metaverse, into a blue chip NFT, into another, and we will be talking more about the NFTs, and we will be getting into more of the NFT projects, so that when the bull market is there, I mean, you'll see how the profits are made when the bull market is there. Investing right now would be the time, but do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. If you like the project, get into it. You don't like the project, don't get into it. So that's all from me, and I'll see you for the next video where we will be talking about the metaverse, and this is my update on the Bitcoin market and what's happening with the Bitcoin Ethereum market. So signing off here, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.